Are you struggling to manage your weight on a vegan diet? You're not alone, and the solution might be simpler than you think. Adopting a vegan diet can be incredibly rewarding, offering ethical, environmental, and health benefits, including effective weight management. But maintaining weight on a plant-based diet comes with its own set of challenges, like ensuring adequate protein intake and managing portion control. This lifestyle not only addresses ethical concerns but also enhances overall health by providing essential nutrients and reducing unhealthy fats. Veganism is gaining popularity in the US for its potential health benefits, including improved fiber intake and reduced risk of chronic diseases. However, it's crucial to be aware of nutrient absorption, as some essential nutrients like vitamin B12, calcium, and iron may be less accessible from plant sources. Without proper planning, you might face risks of vitamin deficiencies and health complications, making a balanced approach to nutrition essential. Weight management is vital for overall well-being, preventing health issues like obesity, diabetes, and hypertension. Effective weight management strategies promote a healthier lifestyle, enhancing metabolic health and reducing the risk of chronic diseases. A balanced approach includes mindful eating, regular physical activity, and cooking methods that support nutritional adequacy. Incorporating exercise into daily routines, even moderate activities like walking or cycling, significantly contributes to weight loss and emotional well-being. Numerous factors influence weight outcomes on a vegan diet, including calorie consumption, nutrient intake, and personal dietary habits. A successful vegan diet requires careful consideration of macronutrient balance, ensuring sufficient protein intake from plant-based sources. Maintaining a calorie deficit is critical for weight loss, which means monitoring daily calorie intake while prioritizing nutrient-dense whole foods. Balancing macronutrients, proteins, fats, and carbohydrates is essential for a well-rounded vegan lifestyle. Selecting diverse plant-based sources like legumes, nuts, seeds, and whole grains supports satiety and ensures sufficient vitamin and mineral intake. Being mindful of portion sizes helps you reach weight loss goals without feeling deprived, emphasizing whole foods like fresh fruits and vegetables. Physical activity levels play a crucial role in weight management, enhancing metabolic rate and contributing to effective weight loss strategies. Incorporating resistance training and aerobic exercises promotes overall metabolic health and fitness, amplifying the benefits of nutrient-dense foods. Yoga enhances flexibility and stress management, while cardiovascular exercises like cycling and dancing support cardiovascular health. Strength training builds muscle mass and increases resting metabolic rate, resulting in higher caloric burn even during rest. Implementing effective strategies for maintaining a healthy weight on a vegan diet includes mindful meal planning, portion control, and diverse protein sources. Plant-based protein sources like legumes, tofu, nuts, and seeds are essential for meeting protein needs and supporting overall health. Incorporating these foods into daily meals can be enjoyable, like adding chickpeas to salads or blending them into hummus. Healthy fats and carbohydrates from avocados, nuts, whole grains, and coconut provide sustained energy and enhance nutrient absorption. Meal planning and portion control help manage daily calorie intake, ensuring optimal nutrition and preventing food insecurity. Keeping a food diary can assist in tracking meals and portion sizes, facilitating mindful eating habits and calorie deficit maintenance. Proper meal planning supports weight loss by creating a calorie deficit, while portion control promotes awareness of food quantities. Maintaining proper hydration is crucial for nutrient absorption, metabolic health, and managing hunger levels throughout the day. Managing cravings and emotional eating with mindful practices and healthy snacks fosters a balanced relationship with food. Seeking professional guidance from nutritionists and dietitians ensures a balanced and sustainable approach to nutrition, addressing potential deficiencies.